I'm Kylie Cummins, an engineer too with Weston I'm excited to tell you about a project in Immokalee, Florida. We're working with the Immokalee Water and Sewer District to rehabilitate their 3 underground concrete clarifiers at their wastewater treatment plant. The 3 original clarifiers and the gravity thickener were constructed more than 25 years ago, and they've reached the end of their useful lives. Over the years, portions of the steel clarifier mechanisms and catwalks have become corroded beyond repair, and the concrete structures have been repaired or patched numerous times. The project consists of the rehabilitation of the 3 oldest clarifiers along with the replacement of the scum pumps to increase wastewater treatment efficiency and reliability. The clarifiers are receiving new mechanical equipment, OSHA-compliant access bridges, and concrete floor replacements. Yard prepping between structures is also being replaced. The first clarifier sits adjacent to the headworks, which puts a great amount of pressure on the underground tank. A structural brace was placed inside the clarifier so that the tank walls were secure while the concrete floor of the tank was being demolished and replaced. Weston worked with the Immokalee Water and Sewer District to devise a plan to phase the work where the wastewater plant can stay in full operation during the construction process. This allows the district to remain in full compliance with their permits. Despite the material and labor costs the country's been experiencing, to date, the project cost has remained consistent with the bid price. Daily operation of the wastewater plant has not been significantly interrupted, and at the conclusion of the project, the Immokalee Water and Sewer District's clarifiers will be more efficient and reliable, safe to operate, and have an extended life for another 20 to 30 years or more. We look forward to concluding this essential project over the next few months.